Good morning. How are you all? How are you doing? Tell me. Are you fine? Yes? Very good. And have you started eating fruits? Some of you are only eating, I know, because ma'am is watching you from that hidden camera. Daily ma'am is watching you, that what you are learning, what you are doing. And you are my good babies, na? Then you have to daily listen to your mama and daily you have to see ma'am's video, okay? Very good. So, do you know your ma'am is waiting for you? Your swings of your new school, Indraprastha, is waiting for you. Yes. So, for that you have to pray to God. You have to pray to God and tell God that God, please remove this virus, coronavirus, so that you can meet your ma'am, so that you can come to school, your new school, so that you can enjoy on new swings. You love to play on the swings, na? Yes. For that you have to do prayer. And which prayer, tell me? New prayer. Ma'am has already sent you a video, na? Yes. You have to see that picture and you have to listen. You have to listen from your ear. And the new prayer is God's love, it's so wonderful. Okay, so you have to learn that prayer also, because when you will join your new school, then we all sing together and we pray to God. Okay, and are you greeting your elders like this? Yes, I told you, na? And you promised me also that ma'am will greet our elders like this. And who all are elders? Tell me. Yes, elders. Tell me. जो हमसे बड़े होते हैं, like your mama. Very good. Like your, tell me, दादू, दादी, नानू, नानी, जो आपसे बड़े होते हैं, you have to greet like this. Okay, and then you will see they get happy from you. You can see their face. Okay, so this is a new way. So daily you have to, before watching the videos, daily you have to learn and sing the prayer, the new prayer. And the new prayer is God's love. Okay, very nice. So just recall all the body parts that we have done and that you have listened properly. Okay, so start. What is this? Tell me. Yes, it's your head. It's your head. And what are these black? See? Yes, these are your hair. These are your hair. Very good. And what are these? These are your eyebrows. These are your eyebrows. And these two are your eyes. Blink your eyes. Slowly. Fast. Very good. And this is your nose. This is your nose. And these two are your ears. These two are your ears. And what is this? This is your mouth. This is your mouth. And these two are lips. These two are lips. And inside your mouth you have teeth. You have teeth. Very good. And behind your teeth, behind means, I told you earlier, piche. Behind your teeth you have tongue. You have tongue. What is this? This is your neck. This is your neck. And these two, these are your, tell me, cheeks. These two are your cheeks. And this is your chin. Cheeks, chin. Very nice. And what are these? These two are your shoulders. These two are your shoulders. And what is this? This is your palm. No, it's not your palm. This is your arm. This is your arm. And this is also your arm. Yes, two arms. Okay. And with the help of this, you can, tell me, you can fold your arm. So this is called elbow. This is called elbow. And these two are your hands. These two are your hands. And when you will turn them, yes, what is this? This is your palm. This is your palm. This is your palm. Very good. And what is this? You can see ma'am is wearing this puja thread. Ma'am is wearing puja thread. Where? Ma'am is wearing puja thread on her wrist. On her wrist. Your father, your mama wears watch over here. Yes, yes, wrist. And these are your tiny fingers. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your fingers. Very good. Fingers. And your elbow. Your elbow is hard. Your elbow is hard because it's very strong, because you eat healthy foods now. That's why it's very strong. And what is this? This is your stomach. This is your stomach. And what is this? This is your chest. This is your chest. Very good. Now we have revised all the body parts and you have done very nice. Clap for yourself. Very good. Now let's count the body parts. Okay. Now say hair. Very good. Hair. And we can't count our hair, okay, because they are lot. Now hair. Head. Say I have one head. Yes, first ma'am will say, then next ma'am will do only action. You have to speak. I have one head. Yes. And what is this? Forehead. This is your head and this is your forehead. Means your front. Front means samne. Forehead. Okay. This is your forehead. Now say I have two eyebrows. Very good. 1, 2. 1, 2. Very good. I have two eyes. Very good. 1, 2. Very good. I have one nose. Very good. I have two ears. Very good. You have two ears. Very good. Now next is I have two cheeks. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. I have two cheeks. Very good. Now I have one chin. I have one chin. I have one neck. I have one neck. And I can move my neck like this. Left, right. Now start moving your neck along with me. Say left. Very good. Right. Left, right. Now do it fast. Left, right, left, right. Speak left, right. Very good. Now up, down. I have one neck. Very good. Speak. I have two shoulders. One, two. One, two. One, two. One, two. One, two. Very good. I have two arms. One, two. Again down. Say one, two. Very good. I have two elbows. Yes, show me your elbows. Now open your elbows and close. Open, close. Yes, up, down. Now say, I have two elbows. Very good. And I have two hands. I have two hands. One, two. One, two. Very good. And let's count how many fingers we have in each hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now check your other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to count after me, okay? Speak loudly. I can't hear your voice. I can't hear only my voice, okay? Speak. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Now next hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So we have 5 fingers in each hand. Very good. And what is this? This is your head? No, this is not your head. This is your stomach. This is your stomach. And you have only one stomach. So say, I have one stomach. Very good. And this is your chest. This is your chest. Now you have to get up and stand near to a big mirror like ma'am. Can you see ma'am? You can see ma'am now? Yes. So get up, get up, get up. Go into your mama's room. You can find this big mirror, and then what you have to do, you have to look into the mirror and you have to touch your body parts. Okay, so after stomach you have these two legs. Can you see? One leg, two legs. One leg, two legs. Now ma'am is bending her leg like this. 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2. Very good. Now what are these after your legs? These are your knees. These are your knees. Like elbows, you can you can fold your arm. So knees also helps in bending and folding our leg. Yes, like this. These are two. These two. Yes, 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2. You have to do like ma'am. Do 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2. So you have two legs and you have two knees. Very good. And what are these? After your stomach you have these two knees. And what is this? These two. These are your thighs. These two are your thighs. Now touch your thigh. 1, 2. 1, 2. Very good. One thigh, two thighs. Very good. And you have two thighs and you have two knees. You have two knees. And you have to turn back like this. You have to turn back. Yes. Properly. Ma'am can't turn it properly. Ma'am is holding her phone. And this is, yes, you can see. This is your back. This is your back. Yes, back. And you have to keep your back straight. Okay, straight. Don't stand like this. You have to keep your body straight and back straight. Very good. And after your thighs, knees, this is your foot. this is your foot. You can see foot. Ma'am is moving her foot round, round, and ma'am is making a circle in the air by using her foot. By using her foot. Now say one foot and the other. Yes, this is also a foot. We call one foot like foot, but when we talk about two, we call them feet. We call them feet. So you will say, I have 2 feet. Okay. Now say foot. Make a circle. Make a circle. Round and round. Make a circle by using your one foot. Yes, foot. And like wrist, you have this. Ma'am is wearing a black thread on her ankle. On her ankle. So this is your, see, this is your ankle. This is your ankle. Now the other one, ankle. Okay. So say, I have 2 legs. Very good. I have 2 thighs. Very good. I have 2 knees. Very good. These 2 are your knees. And I have 2 feet. I have 2 feet. And I have 2 ankles also. You can see? Very good. With the help of your ankle, you can move your foot, this foot. And with the help of your ankles, you can move your feet. Yes, one and the other one. Very good. So, look here. Yes, these are your feet. These are ma'am feet. So, show me your feet. Everyone, show me your feet. Yes. So, here, what are these tiny tinies? These are your toes. So, let's count toes in one foot. 1. Speak after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now change your other leg and show me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So you have 5 toes in your each foot. Okay, 5 toes. 5 toes. So these 2 are your toes, and these 2 are your, what are these? These are your feet. 1 feet. Yes, this one. 1, 2. So you have feet. Okay, you have feet. Okay, and these are your toes. Look, ma'am is moving her toes. Very good. I know you are listening very nicely, and you have counted all your body parts like ma'am. Very good. So for good babies, ma'am is playing a song. Ma'am is playing a song, and the song is 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. So are you ready? So ready, steady, and go. The name of the rhyme is 1, 2, 5. Ready? Very good. Say 1, 1, number 1. Who's gonna sing? 1 little bear sing tra la 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 la. 2, 2, number 2. Who's gonna sing? 2 little birds sing tra la 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 la. 3, 3, number 3. Who's gonna sing? 3 little pigs sings tra la 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 la. 4, 4, number 4. Who's gonna sing? 4 little penguins sing tra la 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 la. 5, 5, number 5. Who's gonna sing? 5 little monkeys sing tra la 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 la. Now start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap your hands. Very good. Tra la la la. 1, 1, number 1. Who's gonna dance? 1 little bear dance. Hula 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 la. 2, 2, number 2. Who's gonna dance? 2 little birds dance. Hula 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 la. 3, 3, number 3. Who's gonna dance? 3 little pigs dance. Hula 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 la. 4, 4, number 4. Who's gonna dance? 4 little penguins dance. Hula 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 la. 5, 5, number 5. Who's gonna dance? 5 little monkeys dance. Hula hula yo ho ho. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap your hands. You have done very good. I saw you. You were doing actions. Very good. So for this, ma'am is playing a beautiful rhyme. So you have to get up and dance. So are you ready? Ready? Say loudly. I can't hear you. Ready? Very good.
This is my head, these are my ears, these are my eyes, this is my nose. These are my cheeks, this is my chin, this is my mouth, these are my teeth. This is my tongue, this is my neck. These are my shoulders and these are my hands. This is my elbow, this is my wrist. These are my fingers, this is my chest. This is my stomach, this is my thigh. This is my knee, this is my leg. This is my ankle, this is my foot. These are my toes and these are my body parts.